Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing well. In the previous video, we discussed the book of Hazrat Maulana Hakeem Akhter rahmatullahi, which is called The Beautiful Sunnah of the Beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Today we will describe the second topic, which is about using the toilet according to Sunnah. And if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and share. There is a link to the first video in the description. You can watch it from there. So let's start the video. Number 1. For the purpose of istinjah, take along water and lumps of clay. To use 3 lumps of clay or 3 stones is mustahab, preferable. If circumstances prevail, then this will be sufficient due to clay lumps. Difficulties are experienced in flushing the toilet. Thus, the Ulama have advised that toilet paper should be used to that the flush is not spoiled. Second one, it was practice of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam to visit the toilet with his head covered and with his shoes on. Alaikum besunnati. Third one, before entering the toilet, recite this dua. Bismillahi Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min al-khubuthi wal khaba'ith. Bukhari, Sahih Muslim, Tirmidhi, Ibn Majah. Translate. O Allah, I seek your protection from the male and female jinns. Note, Mullah Ali Qari rahmatullah alayhi has written in Mirqat that with the blessing of the recitation of this dua, a evil is cast between the person visiting the toilet and the evil jinns. Hence they are unable to see one's private parts. He has also written that the ba of the word al-khubus can be read with either a zamma or a sakin. Mirqat volume 1 page 361. Fourth one, when entering the toilet, enter with the left foot. Alaikum besunnati, quoting from Ibn Majah. Fifth one, when removing the undergarment, it is better to lower oneself towards the ground as much as easily possible and thereafter remove the garment. Tirmidhi and Abu Dawud. Sixth one, when coming out from the toilet, step out with the right foot first and then recite this dua. Ghufranaka alhamdulillahi alladhi azhaba anil adha wa afani. O Allah, I seek forgiveness from you. All praise is due to Allah who removed from me that which was harmful and granted me safety. 7. Before entering the toilet, remove any ring, etc., upon which any ayat or the name of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam is visible. An-Nisai. And if a tawiz is covered with a cloth and song, it will be permissible to enter the toilet while wearing it. 8. When relieving oneself, do not face the Qibla nor turn the back toward it. Al-Mishkat, Tirmidhi and Ibn Majah. 9. When relieving oneself, do not speak except out of absolute necessity. Also do not engage in any zikr whilst in the toilet. Al-Mishkat, Abu Dawud, page 3. 10. Be extremely careful and ensure that droplets of urine and stool do not splash upon one, as most of the punishment of the grave is due to not protecting oneself from urine splashes. Bukhari, Ibn Majah. 11. Do not touch the private parts with the right hand during istinjah. Use the left hand for this purpose. Bukhari, Abu Dawud. 12. Where a toilet is not available, relieve oneself behind some barrier so that one is not exposed to others. Abu Dawud and Ibn Majah. 13. Search for soft ground when relieving oneself in the open, so that the urine does not splash but is rather absorbed into the ground. Tirmidhi, Abu Dawud. 14. Sit and urinate. Do not urinate while standing. Tirmidhi. After urinating, if one needs to dry himself, he should do so behind some barrier. It means wall etc. Beheshti Gohar. 16. Perform wuzu according to the sunnat at home. 17. Perform the sunnat at home before going to the masjid. If there is no time for this, the same could be performed in the masjid. Note, in today's time, due to sunnat being neglected, it is preferable to perform them in the masjid. Kamaladi Ashrafiyah. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.
Subhanallah walhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah, La ilaha illallah,